Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to viral Facebook post. First of all, open your Facebook apps. Now I'm open my Facebook account. You must be turn on professional mode on your Facebook account, otherwise it's don't work your account, and must be unlock your Facebook profile. Look at my profile, turn on professional mode. Okay, go back and look at the right corner, tap on three line and tap on settings icon. Scroll down and tap on how people find and contact you. Okay, allow your profile to be recommended to people looking at similar profiles. These settings now turn off my account. Now I turn on these settings. Okay, now when I am publish my any post, then Facebook automatically recommended my profile. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.